What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change board camera in Skate 4. So the easiest way to change your board camera is by pressing R3 button on your controller, or you can just press your right analog stick like a button and then the camera angle will be changed like this. But if you wanna adjust settings in detail, then firstly pause your game, then press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to open this menu. From here select settings, then go to gameplay. Now press RB on Xbox or R1 on PlayStation to switch over to camera. From here you will see this onboard camera settings. You can adjust the horizontal follow strength, vertical follow strength, field of view, maintain camera distance, onboard camera offset and camera framing. So let's say I wanna change field of view, then I can adjust it according to my need. You can go through these options and set it according to your preference. So let's say I keep it on 85, then I can just go back into my game. And now you can see the field of view has been changed to 85. So this is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.